Hola, bonjour, ni hao ma. Hello, how you doing? We're gonna jump back into these French basics and fortify ourselves get our foundation strong for the new year. So I updated the app. Hopefully it's still awesome. I don't know. Let's turn this full blast. Let's jump into the basics. Gonna get our third crown here in a minute, or 5 minutes. Let's level up. I missed my streak yesterday. Had an allergy attack. Hardest exercise. Oh yeah, sure. Let's just jump right in.
Un homme mange.
Un homme mange. So type the missing word. All right. Mange. No S. Right. Okay. All right.
Tu es un chien?
Tu es un chien. So are you a dog or you are a dog? Are you a dog? I wonder if they want me to practice that on the street, you know?
Une femme mange une orange.
Une femme mange une orange. What's wrong with my voice today? Orange. Struggling with typing.
Tu es un chat.
Tu es un chien? Type in English translation. You are a cat. Tu es un chat.
Une femme mange.
Une femme mange. Une femme mange. So a lady eats. Bring it. A woman is eating. Woman. La femme, right? Oh, I have to type it. Femme. La femme.
Un chat mange un croissant.
Un chat mange un croissant. I don't know how to spell croissant. C-R-O-I. Here we go. Croissant. L'orange. L'orange.
Je suis Félix. Je suis un chat.
Je suis Félix, je suis un chat. So my name is Felix. I am Felix, I'm a cat. Un animal. Je suis un animal. Hein? La fille. Alright, bring it on. F-I. Alright. So I probably lost that last race though. Dun-dun. Maybe I shouldn't have updated. I don't know what's up. Oh, there we go. Lesson complete. So I got 27 zappy things, whatever that is. Perfect score. 3 crowns. 3 crowns. I don't want that offer. Oh, I'm very content with the free version. I guess that'd be good if you're like on an airplane or something. You just want to Duolingo all the way to wherever you're going. I don't mind the ads. It gives my brain a break to gather it, so I don't want to watch any more ads. Oh, so I wagered a boost. What? I still get my 2-day streak? Just by making it 2 days, you're 50. How does that work? I missed yesterday. You're getting good at forming sentences using words and grammar from Basics 1. All right, let's go. We got 3 crowns up for a challenge. Yeah, we're doing this. We're doing this every day. I accept the challenge. Let's do it. Let's do it!
Chat.
Chat. Cat.
Chat.
Chat.
Un garçon.
Un garçon, so a boy. Type in English, right? They said a boy. Okay.
Un.
So A.
Un garçon et un chat.
Un garçon et un chat. So a boy and a cat. A boy and a cat. A boy. Un garçon. The C has a squiggle. Un garçon. Un garçon.
Un chat.
Un chat. A cat. Type in French. Un chat. Un homme. I actually like this course. It's not stressful.
Un homme et un garçon.
She shouldn't say like un homme. Homme. Type the French you hear. So I'm gonna put un homme. Un homme et un garçon. I think that's what she said, right? Garcon. Let me hear that one more time.
Un homme et un garçon.
There you go. Why are they talking slow like that? Just nobody talks like that. Un homme et un garçon. A cat and a boy. Un chat et un garçon. Type in French. Un chat et un garçon. Un chat et un garçon.
Un chat et un homme.
Un chat et un homme. I can't speak or else the recording goes crazy, so sorry about that.
Un homme.
Un homme. A man. Man. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh. Scare me, man. Man and a boy. So, un homme et un garçon. Un homme et un garçon. I gotta remember to check my spelling. I lose it.
Un chat
No.
et
No.
un chat et un garçon.
There we go. Un chat et un garçon. I don't know why they talk super slow like that. It's like wrong when they do. A cat and a man. Un chat et un homme. A man and a cat. Un homme. Oops. Come on. Show it. Un homme et un chat. Right? Un homme et un chat. A boy and a cat. Un garçon et un chat. Spelling looks good. Perfect. Oh. That's so cool that I got my streak, man. I thought I lost it. Double that XP boost. Where am I on the contest deal? What the fava? Find your crunchy snacks in the natural food aisle. Okay. Well, that's it for this video. I can't close it because my picture's there. I'll see you guys in the next video.